How to travel within Singapore using the MRT, which is the train. As a traveler, everyone can use it. The train stations are everywhere. The train takes you everywhere. Its speed is like 80 to 120 kilometers per hour. The train is 100% reliable. It works from in the morning 5:30 a.m. till the evening, which is 11:30 to 12 p.m. It costs less than $1.50 Singapore cents for a ride. It is the cheapest transportation ever in Singapore. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl EfyaKimora here. If you are old here, I really appreciate you for coming back always. But if today is your first time clicking on my video, I'm glad you found my channel. But please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more of such interesting, adventurous, educative and travel content. So we are going to touch on these topics whilst exploring Singapore using the train or these areas. That is how it operates, who can use it, how accessible it is, that is the train stations, how fast is it, how reliable is it, and how much it costs using the train. Without much ado, let's get right into the video. Let's go. So on a traveler's perspective, on my perspective and how I experience it, I'm going to share it with you. If you have any additions, subtractions, suggestions, corrections, you leave it in the comment section below. So first of all, let's talk about who can use it, how to use it. The MRT is for everyone, even travelers ourselves. You can use the train. If you are there to do business, you can use the train. And how are you going to use the train, how it operates? So you're going to use your bank debit or credit card. If you don't have, don't worry. You can buy a train card at the train station, which is rechargeable. You can recharge it anytime and it's easy. It's having a recharge station where you can just put in some money and you're good to go. So everyone can use it. Citizens, travelers, business people traveling within the country, and it's for everyone. And you don't have to struggle to get access to it. You can get access to it anytime, any day. So yeah, it's accessibility. The train, how does it work? Does it work 24 hours? No. The BRT doesn't work 247 like 24 hours, but it works all day, but it doesn't work 24 hours. So it works from in the morning 5:30 a.m. till the evening, which is 11:30 to 12 p.m. So you can access the train on this period. So if you explore, then it's like 11, don't say, is it I'm too late, I can't use the BRT, I have to book a car. No, you can still use the BRT to get on it. You can still go to the stations and it's still working. So how does it operate? Do you pay when you are inside the train? Do you give money to anyone? As I told you, you use your card, and this is how the card works. I'm gonna use the card. At the station, for you to enter to the subway, you have to use your card. You tap it on the machine and it gives you access to go down to the subway to use the train. Now, when you exit from the train, how you're going to go out, you're also going to use that same card, whether the train card or your credit card. You're going to tap, then you can exit from the train station. Simple, right? Yes, it's so simple and easy. The train is 100% reliable. At a high peak season, it comes like every 2 minutes. The train is going to land, like a train is going to come. 2-3 minutes, another train is going to come. And how to know where you're going, how to move, it's so simple how to navigate at the train station or in Singapore. It's having system maps over there, and their maps works 100%. You just have to be checking the maps. It's having maps with inscription where you're going, northeast, northwest. There's you have to read. If you can't read, ask. If you can't read the maps, just ask. It's even showing how long is it going to take if you get on the train to get to your destination. You get it? So it's simple. And how to access the train stations, it's everywhere in the country. You don't have to walk like miles to go look for a train. The train stations are everywhere. Like it's everywhere. So you don't even have to stress. And once you get on and wherever that you are going to, you can go to that particular place easily without worrying. If you don't know, please ask and they are going to show you, they're going to direct you. Their trains do not overload, like it's comfortable. That's what I'm trying to say. It's not like stressful using the train. It's even flexing. It's even flexing using the train. So don't worry, never mind. It's not a big deal. It's for everyone. If you are someone who think you're high class and you want to experience a train, go to Singapore. You're going to love it. How fast is it? As I told you, it's very fast. It's anticipating the time you're going to get to your final destination. Its speed is like 80 to 120 kilometers per hour. That's how it moves. And it can move like 45, 50. It's not too fast and it's not too slow. It's very fast. It's very like reliable. And you get to wherever that you are going to. So if it tells you you're going to get to the airport, yes, you can use the train to the airport. So if it says in 10 minutes time you're going to get to the airport, girl, just sit, relax and chill. In 10 minutes time you're going to get to the airport. In 2 minutes, in 6 minutes you're going to get to this location, Marina Bay, Bayfront, Chinatown, this place. You're going to get there in that particular time. And also you don't have to worry because it's digital. Like it speaks and it shows. If you know where you are going, it will be showing on the entrance or in the train every time, every minute. And if you're at this station, it's going to tell you the next train station is this stop. So if you know where you're going, you don't have to worry. Hey, where am I going? Where is this train going to stop? Where are we now? No. You don't have to worry. It keeps telling you where you are, where you're going to alight next.
Little India Interchange. 小印度 Please mind. 请小心后行 Berhati-hati di ruang platform. Stay seated. Kanan kiri.
So how much does it cost to use this train? And I will tell you, it is the cheapest transportation ever in Singapore. Yes, it is the cheapest. There is no other way you can explore the country which is more cheaper than using the MRT and the BRT. Okay.
So like every trip is $1 plus.
Every what?
The train, every trip you take is
It's $1. Oh, okay.
Less than 150.
Less than 150.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check. Hi.
Hello. 649 in your card.
Oh, okay.
You want to top up?
No, I'm just checking. Thank you.
Welcome.
So I have 649. I topped up $10 today. Then and for the train and the bus, it's like I've used less than $4, so 3.1. That is the only cheapest way, the reliable way. It's also comfortable for you. It costs less than $1.50 Singapore cents for a ride. It's cheap, right? Yes, it's cheap because $1 American is to Singapore like 77 cents or like 70 plus cents Singapore currency. So it's cheap, like less than 10 cedis for a ride. Or 10 cedis for a ride. You guys get it? Yeah, in my case they will say it's expensive, but it is the cheapest way to move around in Singapore, and everyone can use it. You don't have to worry if it's your first time. It's not a big deal. Wherever that you are living in the country, just ask, I'm going to the MRT. Can you direct me to the MRT? And can I use the train? You can use it, girl. I'm telling you, you can use it. How do I use it? So ask people. And as you are watching my video right now, you know how you're going to go about it when you are in Singapore for a holiday, for a business trip, just passing through, or whatever it is. You can just go. Don't worry, going on spending bougie, like spending on. Why do I keep telling people not to worry booking Grab and Zig, which is their Uber? But use the train. Where does the train goes? The train goes all over the country, and it goes even way to the airport. Yes, the train goes to the airport. Guys, I've seen something. You can take the train to the airport. You get it? Whoa, it's so easy to explore. You can take the train to the airport. You see, people going with their bags. It's so easy. But I will be going around somewhere. Okay, maybe I can try the train to the airport at 11. Let me see what I can do when I'm going. So that means you can take the train from the airport to your lodging place, and from your lodging place to the airport, from the northern part of the country to the southern part of the country, to the west, to the east, and also even to the island called Sentosa. You don't have to worry. The train takes you everywhere. It's having maps at the train station. It's everywhere. And Google Maps also work. If you want, even on Google Maps, if you just open your Google map and then go to Singapore map, you see the trains D12, D13. Yeah, that's the train stations and all that. Google Maps also works in Singapore, so it's easy to use the train, which is the most cheapest transportation ever. It's reliable, it's comfortable, it's everything that you need to know. And I'm encouraging you, I'm recommending it to you. Use the train. It's a very nice experience. If you've never used the train before, I know most people in Ghana, they've never used the train before. So if you want to get a train experience and you're traveling to Singapore, just use the train. Don't go worry booking a ride to wherever that you are going to. If you are watching this video and you've been to Singapore before, you can share your train experience here. If you ever got lost, if you ever got lost in Singapore, share it. And if it's your first time trying to go, just doing your search and you just found my channel, also let me know. Tell me, girl, I'm going to Singapore these days and I just found your channel and it's very informative. Also let me know. And to my Singaporeans who are here, kindly comment in the comment section below. Let me know you're here. I appreciate you all for watching my videos. I know you guys are watching because you are #1 in my algorithm stating that Singaporeans are really watching my videos, and I love you all. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Until we meet again in my next video, is a girl EfyaKimora here. Love you and bye.